I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Samsung Notes. Now, Samsung Notes should be on your phone by default, either in the Samsung folder or just basically in the app screen. So if you go to the app screen and look for Notes, you should find Samsung Notes. But in case you don't have Samsung Notes on your Galaxy A14 for one reason or another, then simply go to the Galaxy Store. Just tap on the Galaxy Store and then go to the search function. Let me just close that. Go to the search function and look for Notes. Okay, so Samsung Notes will appear. Tap on Samsung Notes and there is your Samsung Notes application. So go ahead and tap on install button at the bottom. But since mine is already installed, I don't have that install option. I have open. But if you don't have Samsung Notes installed on your phone, you should see the option to install. And that's basically how to install Samsung Notes on your Galaxy A14. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.